What happens if you replace screen time with exercise for 7 days? Day 1. You stand up, hesitant, but you don't sit back down. Day 2. You step outside, the air hits different, your body resists. Day 3. You keep going, movement feels smoother, your mind clears. Day 4. You show up again, stronger, more in control. Day 5. You push forward, steady pace, no stopping now. Day 6. You slow down, but you stay disciplined, fully in control. Day 7. You return, same place, but you're no longer the same. Final result. No more mindless scrolling, now you control your life.